Today we are going to solve and explain one more question, question number 7 from exercise 8.2 of NCERT. In this question, triangle ACB given in which angle C 90 degree, that means ABC is a right triangle at C. M is the midpoint of the hypotenuse AB, and through M this MD is parallel to BC. It is also given. We have to prove three things. First, D is the midpoint of AC, MD is perpendicular to AC, and third, we have to prove CM is equal to MA is equal to half of AB. So let's prove the first part. For the first part, we will write M is the midpoint of AB, and through M, MD is drawn parallel to BC. That means by the converse of midpoint theorem, directly we can say D is the midpoint of AC. So we will write M is the midpoint of AB of triangle ABC. M is the midpoint of AB of triangle ABC, and that is given. And MD is parallel to BC, that is also given. So we can say therefore D is the midpoint of AC by the converse of midpoint theorem. Now for the second part, we will write MD is parallel to BC, that is given, and AC is the transversal. AC is the transversal. So MD is parallel to BC, AC is the transversal. So we can say this angle and this angle both equal, that is ADM. Therefore angle ADM is equal to, we can say, angle ACB. Why? Because these are parallel, AC is the transversal, these two angles are equal, corresponding angles. But it is given in the question ACB angle is equal to 90 degree, that is given in the question. ACB angle given 90 degree, therefore angle ADM will also be equal to 90 degree. And if it is 90 degree, that means we can say MD is perpendicular to AC. So that implies MD is perpendicular to AC, and that is proved. So second part we have proved MD is perpendicular to AC. Now for the third part, we have to take up these two triangles, that is namely ADM and CDM. And in these two triangles, we can say, since MD is perpendicular to AC, so that means both are 90s, and MD is common. And not only that, it is already proved that D is the midpoint of AC, that means these are also equal. So now in triangles ADM and CDM, we have AD is equal to CD. Why? Because D is the midpoint of AC, that is proved already. We have already proved that D is the midpoint of AC. We have already proved. That is why AD and CD, they are equal. And then angle ADM is equal to CDM That also we have proved, since each equals to 90 degree, each equals to 90 degree, or we can say since MD is perpendicular to AC, therefore each angle each equals to, directly you can write each equals to 90 degree. So since MD is perpendicular to AC, already we have proved, therefore we can say each of these two angles is equal to 90 degree. So each equals to 90 degree. And third, MD is common. MD is equal to MD, that is common. So therefore we can say by side angle, then this side, we can say these two triangles ADM congruent to triangle CDM by side angle, then this side angle side congruence rule. And when they are congruent, by CPCT we can say, therefore AM is equal to CM. AM and CM, they are equal by CPCT. But AM is equal to half of AB. Why? Because M is the midpoint of AB. It is given. So AM is equal to half of AB. Why? Because M is the midpoint of AB. It is given. So therefore from these two we can say, therefore AM, which is equal to CM, which is equal to half of AB, and that is proved.